However, the presence of individuals like the current acting national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagum, and Mr. Wike, the current minister of the AFCT within our midst, remains a cancerous growth on the body of our beloved party, the PDP. Their actions is tantamount to betrayal and have undermined our collective effort and jeopardized our very existence as a formidable opposition force. The time has come for the NEC to act decisively. Ambassador Umar Damagum must be removed from his position as acting national chairman in accordance with the provision of our party's constitution. He must be replaced with a loyal party member from the North Central, someone who embodies the spirit of our party and will work tirelessly for the advancement of the cause of the People's Democratic Party. Furthermore, we cannot turn a blind eye to the continuous presence of Mr. Wike within our ranks. His romance with the APC has been handsomely rewarded with his appointment as a minister of the Federal Capital Territory. And as such, his stay in the party is a slap in the face of every loyal member of our great party. Those who work against the PDP should have no place within the walls of the PDP. The continuous presence of individuals like Damagum and Wike is not just detrimental to our progress, it is a clear and present danger to the very survival of our party. If the party failed to take decisive action against those who have betrayed our trust, then it risks losing the faith and support of its loyal members across the country. Therefore, we wish to implore the members of the NEC to summon the courage and conviction necessary to take tough decisions required to position our party for greatness. Let us set aside personal interest and ambitions in favor of the greater good. Let us be bold, let us be decisive, and let us reclaim our rightful place at the forefront of Nigerian politics.